Hey there! If you love rich and warm sound from your music system, today we are looking at the best Bluetooth tube amplifier that mixes classic audio style with modern wireless features. Welcome to Budget Buying, and in this video, we are talking about the Fosi Audio P3 Bluetooth Tube Amplifier, a compact amplifier made for powerful and detailed sound. Let's get started. The Fosi Audio P3 Bluetooth Tube Amplifier is designed for people who want more than just loud sound. It is built to make music feel deeper, warmer, and more natural. This amplifier combines traditional vacuum tube technology with modern Bluetooth connection, so you can enjoy classic hi-fi sound while still using your phone, tablet, or computer wirelessly. It works great for desktop setups, home audio systems, or anyone who wants better sound quality without complicated equipment. One of the most important features of the Fosi Audio P3 Bluetooth Tube Amplifier is the real vacuum tube design. Tube amplifiers are known for producing a warm and smooth sound that feels more natural compared to normal digital amplifiers. With this system, highs sound clear, the middle tones feel full, and the bass becomes rich and deep. This makes music more enjoyable, especially for people who like detailed sound when listening to songs, movies, or live recordings. Inside the amplifier, the preamplifier circuit boosts the power to help the tubes work at their best level. Because of this, the sound feels more dynamic and alive instead of flat. The installed JAN 5654W tubes are designed to give strong performance and bring out the emotion in music. You can hear more detail in vocals, instruments, and background sounds, which makes the listening experience feel closer to real life. Another great thing about the Fosi Audio P3 is that the tubes can be replaced with different ones. This allows users to change the sound style based on personal taste. Some people like softer tones, while others prefer stronger bass, and swapping tubes gives you the freedom to customize the sound the way you like. This feature makes the amplifier more fun to use for people who enjoy experimenting with audio. The amplifier is also very flexible because it works as both a preamplifier and a headphone amplifier. You can connect it to speakers for a full home audio setup, or plug in headphones for private listening. Even though it has powerful performance, the size stays compact, so it fits easily on a desk or shelf without taking too much space. The design looks classic and modern at the same time, with the glowing tubes giving it a stylish hi-fi look. In real life, the Fosi Audio P3 Bluetooth Tube Amplifier is perfect for music lovers who want warmer sound, better detail, and a more enjoyable listening experience. It works great for home users, audiophiles, and anyone building a small but high-quality sound system. Great sound can change the way you enjoy music. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful product videos.